Right guys, Andy's trying to kill us today. Taking us out to this place. We're looking for a location. I think we've come across it maybe. Or it is where he suspects this place is. Not seeing any signs yet of fossils. This is just like straight down. Don't know what that is. Some sort of killer spider, trust me. See that thing? It's crazy. It's a crazy looking thing. Oh, it's run away. But definitely found this bedrock wall that I think we're meant to be looking for. But I'm not seeing any fossils in it at all. So I'm going to have a look at some of these rocks, see if we can split one open and see if we can find something. But Andy and Matt are over that hill over there. They took the low path, I took the high path, and there's pros and cons in both of them, and yeah, it's been a killer. It's been a killer of a walk. So there's a nice split there. I'm going to try and split that open and have a look and see if there's something in between that natural split. And then I'm going to go and over here, found a reef. Nice quartz little reef there, so check out that as well. So the pin drop we had was not in the right place, and now we're just sliding down the hill, falling, trying to get killed. Material, no good for anything. But you know, I don't always believe what Google Maps and people's pins where they thought they were, because you can end up like us walking a kilometre for no real reason. I've got one nodule in my pocket, but besides that, it wasn't good. It's not great. This is not good. Huh? Yeah. Tell her we've had enough of your pin drops. Oh. Yeah. Oh, he's killed us. Just try to take all that energy. Oh. Oh. Right, that's enough of the filming of nonsense, and now it's time to try and get somewhere. Alright, so Andy and Matt, so Andy from Poverty Prospecting and Matt from Frenchie's Prospecting have gone a different way to me. We're heading to the same place, we're just going a different way. I just wanted to check out some other ground, I suppose, while we're here. Now, I've started heading down the hill again. I think I've got to head up the hill again. But I've seen this site here. And I think this is a good site. I think, once again, dumb luck, I've found another fossil site. Yeah, this is massive. I wonder if this is the fossil site we found last time. Hey! Just calling out to the boys, see if they can hear me. Oh man. Oh. Can't be. What is it? I don't know. Yeah, this is where we were last time. I think so. Someone's been here. Someone's been here massively. Wait until we have a look at this. This is crazy. This is crazy. Alright. It's always fun falling, isn't it? Whew. Oh! Time to get up. This is it. No, someone's been here. Someone's been here digging like, wow. Wow. Someone's been here digging massive amounts of ground. Alright, I'm going to stop filming. I'm going to call out to Andy and them just so you don't hear me yelling like a madman. And I'll see where they are. Alright, it's time to head out. If you thought digging for gold was hard, you should try digging for fossils. It's exhausting, but the walk's just killed us. Boy. But when I get home, I'll show you what I ended up with. Oh. I am totally, utterly exhausted. The boys have just gone over look at another little area. They've got more energy than me. Oh. My energy levels are gone. I've got to get some water and some food into me. Oh, look, they're back. But it's just surprising someone's gone to all this effort to dig this stuff up and they've left fossils everywhere. Most of the fossils I dug a couple of areas, we got a couple of fossils. Most of them were just lying on the surface. So someone's going to a lot of effort and just leaving the stuff behind. It's a bit like people who go out and smash all the bedrock up and then don't clean up the ground properly and leave all the gold there for someone else to just come along and grab. Alright, so there are my 2 buckets. Pretty much nearly every one that I've got there has a starfish. And there's a fantastic one in the bag. It's got 4 to 5 starfish in the one rock. So That's a really, really nice piece. But like this, you know, like look at that. I just come here like an idiot and just pick this up and gone, look at that. 1, 2, that's a magical piece. That's going to come up great. Once I give these a clean, you're really going to be able to see them. And this is what I'm talking about. I'm just not, it's not like we're some fossil experts. We're just coming along and we're just finding someone's dug and just left fossils everywhere. Everywhere. They're everywhere. Like, that's just insane, just to walk back here and find more. Alright. Now I'm going to see if I'm going to lift these things. I think I'm going to be in trouble.